Now see, these are the tallest pony walls underneath the house, and then it goes lower and lower out to the front. But I'll keep my eyes open. When I'm going to end up going underneath here, not right now, but later on, to crawl around up in there, get any plywood out of there. I see a cardboard box over there. Look at all this plastic here. That plastic was supposed to be covered up over this dirt, and somebody pulled it on over. Because see over here, this is another area, and this all has plastic on it, and it's been pulled away at the corners and stuff. But see this area here, this is how I found it when we moved in, and so I'll go up there and do some cleaning, get the cardboard box out, get any wood. See this type of wood stuff I'm going to clean up. You don't want to, and all this extra stuff, I'll take the 2x4 out of here. I'll end up throwing all this other stuff away, and you don't want stuff like that underneath your house. Okay, it's for you don't want termites. This will attract termites, stuff like this, and wood shavings. And you know what, see this up here, if I were to leave this stuff right there, would that be okay? Technically, the inspector would probably say, no, you probably should clean that up. But see, you don't want it down on the ground. You don't want stuff down on the ground, because that's where the termites will be. Apparently termites, you want concrete, at least 6 inches or 8 inches of concrete on down to your dirt, and usually your stem walls and your footings and stuff will be up like that. But and that's designed to prevent the termites. Because if termites came in here, couldn't they just crawl up the wall, the concrete here, and then just start snacking away on any wood that they find? Well, you know, they're not really concerned about that. They're only concerned about, inspectors are only concerned about stuff that's on the dirt, or close to the dirt and within 6 inches of your concrete plates and all that kind of stuff. See, this is up high enough, and so this stuff right here, if I left that, it'd probably be okay, but I'm not going to. I'm going to clean up all this stuff. I don't want you know, I don't want mice down here thinking that they can build a nest with this, start chewing on this, thinking, okay, if I can find this, what else can I find? You know, because I can move around down here. I've been sweeping off these ledges. I just haven't gotten to that area yet. See that? All this over here used to look like that too. Even this bottom area, this top little sill area, everything in between here. You saw it if you were watching my previous videos. You'd see all that stuff. All the wood shavings from them drilling all these holes were all down there. I'm surprised the inspector didn't make them pick all that stuff up off of there. I probably spent, oh, I don't know, just in this area right here, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours the other day getting all this stuff cleaned up around here. It looks way better, doesn't it? I mean, that's how you want your underneath of your house to look. So like I say, chances are all of these types of straps that they have here, there's 2 there, there's 1 there, there's another one there, chances are, and there was 1 on the other side of that wall, I believe there was, and it's dark in there, but because I don't have any light on it, but it was right here. You can't really see that, but anyways, there was 1 there. Chances are they're not going to be way up further, but as I go, I'm going to keep my eyes open. You never know what's going to happen. And if you have a set of plans, of your house, take a look on your plans. See if you can find them. And I'm going to dig my plans out. We asked the owner to provide us a set of plans before we purchased the house. He obliged. It wasn't the approved set of plans that we asked for from the building department, but it was a set of plans he happened to have, which was what he had before they submitted. And so I can show you on there where it shows all these, and we can actually look on there and see if they're anywhere up higher, over in there, way over there, whatever. And so I can check it that way too. And if you don't have a set of plans, hey, I think I've made a video. I go to my YouTube channel and type in how to get a set of plans for free on your house, or I don't know what I've titled it, but you'll be surprised at how easy it is to get a set of plans for your house, even if you don't have a set of plans. And once you get it, you can check on there, and all kinds of things you can see on your plans. Ooh, I'm glad that's all done. I got everything tight. I crawled down through on the other side, and there was like 4 or 5 more over there that I tightened up too, and all of them were loose. Of course, they were all loose. And man, I'm glad that's over with. If you want to see me do other things down here, stick around and keep watching my videos. I got something else I can do in this area and in all the areas where I can access, and I'll show you on my next video. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I got plenty of other things underneath this house to do, and when I get ready to do them, I'm gonna have my video camera right here so I can show you as well. See you next time.